Guys, I asked Claude AI to design a gym and fitness website for me, and this is what it gave me. Here it is. As you can see, it looks very beautiful and professional, and I generated it using the free Claude plan. But I would like to convert it into an editable Elementor website so that anyone can edit it. To do that, I will simply copy and paste the Claude website into Elementor using the powerful Clone to Elementor Google Chrome extension. Here it is. So I will simply click on the extension, then come to our Claude website and click anywhere here to copy the hero section. Now it says that our site has been successfully copied. I will now head over to my Elementor editor and simply right-click here, then click Paste from Other Site. On my keyboard, I will press Ctrl-V to paste the Claude website. And here it is, guys. Our Claude design has successfully been cloned inside Elementor. So now we can click and edit any element within this web page. This text here, for instance, I can change it to something like gym. Let's check the background image. I will click the parent container, go to the Style tab, and now we can see the background image. When I click it, it takes me straight to the WordPress media library. From here, we can replace it, add alt text, and access several other options available in WordPress. Buttons can be edited as well. The conversion is perfect. Every element from the Claude website uses the corresponding Elementor widget. I will now go ahead and copy the remaining sections to complete the homepage. So I'll come to the About Me section, click inside it, and then copy it. I'll head back to Elementor, right-click, select Paste from Other Site, and then press Ctrl-V. And here is the About section as well, perfectly cloned. I'll pause the video, and when I'm done copying the entire Claude design, I'll show you the final result. All right, I am done converting the Claude website into an Elementor website. Let me change this back to fitness, and let's preview the site on the front end. So here it is. This is very beautiful. It looks exactly like the original Claude website. If we check the responsiveness, we can see that it is also mobile responsive. It looks really nice on mobile devices. This is where you can get the Clone to Elementor extension. I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it with people you believe might find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more useful videos like this.